What's going on, everybody? I'm super excited because today I registered for my LLC and I'm officially a business owner. The process was surprisingly simple, and now I get to enjoy all the benefits of owning my own business. In this video, I'm going to break down how to register for your LLC into 3 simple steps. Plus, we're going to discuss some of the advantages of owning your own business. Hey on guys, Editor Max here. Before we start, I think it's important to note that I'm literally just some random dude who decided to do this. There's nothing special, you can just start. So just start. First, we're going to break it down into 3 simple steps. First, you're going to figure out exactly what the documents you need to fill out are that help register you for your LLC. In Michigan, this was the Articles of Organization. This is different in every state though. Next, you're going to go to your state's website. Here, you'll fill out the form and they'll take you through step by step. Finally, you have to choose a name for your business and pick a resident agent. This is probably you as the business owner. Make sure you pick a name that no one else has used before. It also has to follow some rules set by your state. And this should all be incorporated in the process for filing for your LLC. And once you've done that, all you have to do is pay a small fee, and as simple as that, you've registered your LLC and you are officially a business owner. Welcome to the club. It seriously is that simple. Now, let's talk about some of the advantages of owning your own business. First off, one of the major advantages of owning your own business is the tax benefits. As a business owner, you can enjoy tax write-offs for various expenses in your company. This includes things like rent, utilities, but it also includes things like a new computer monitor, making sure that you have all the technology you need to stay up to date with your business. A lot of these deductions can lower your tax liability and save you a lot of money. As an LLC, you also get liability relief. By operating as an LLC, you separate your business assets from your personal assets. This means that if someone were to sue you, they wouldn't be suing you as a person, they'd be suing your company. This is just a safeguard to protect your personal finances and keep peace of mind. Finally, you have your professional image to think about. Owning your own LLC gives you a more professional look. Clients are a lot more willing to work with you if you have a real business and you're a real business entity. Having that official status adds to your credibility and opens up growth opportunities. In conclusion, starting your own business has never been easier. By registering your LLC, you unlock a world of opportunities, from tax benefits to liability protection and enhanced professionalism. So take the first steps today and register your LLC and get the ball rolling. In my next video, I'll guide you through the next step of forming your LLC, which is opening up a business bank account. This is essential for effectively managing your finances as an LLC.